What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option. First off, I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. And now what I'm going to go through is my VIX forecast and a little bit of my S&P forecast for 2025. So with that, let's dig in. Like I said, everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. I hope you're having a great holiday. Let's talk about what is going to happen in 2025. Now, we've got a new president coming in. We've got a new administration. Republicans swept the Senate and Congress. The Fed has moved interest rates, the interest rate forecast to fewer rate cuts in 2025. So there's a lot on the table. But, the biggest wild card people think is President, future and former Trump. And I'm here to tell you that historically, President Trump is a low volatility president. You're saying, what, Mark? How? Well, take a look. Here is 2017. This is President Trump's first year in office. Up until basically the entirety of 2017, the VIX never breaks 17. The entire year. The entire year. Now, we get a little bit of fireworks in 2018. You may recall that is related to the Volpocalypse. Took us a while to get through that. But 2018 ended up, having some fireworks. 2019 then kind of calmed down until we hit COVID. So looking at where we are today, a lot of people are looking at the S&P and saying, and the VIX and saying, Donald Trump's coming in. One, politics really don't affect trading as much as people think they do. They can, but it's not nearly as important as everyone makes it up to. Trade your book, not your politics. That's what we always say. But, the speed with which VIX is now pulling back off of spikes is pretty astounding. Here we are Friday the 24th, and we're back to below where we were before the Fed event on Wednesday. The close. Still have a little bit of room to pull back, but pretty impressive pullback in volatility. So where does this leave us? Well, we have not basically in, close to a year, almost 2 years, had a consistently low volatility. If you look at the last 2 years, we had about a 6-month period where volatility was in the 12s. We have not had that. And remember, the VIX hangs in the 12 more often than any other number. So what am I looking for? I think the first quarter of this year for the S&P could be weak. We could see some fireworks for the first quarter. Maybe a little bit of a post-inauguration sell the news. I'm not sure, but I do think we could see kind of a weak first quarter. After that, I think things calm down, and you're going to see the market slowly and steadily rally. It's not going to be these fits and starts that we saw in 24 where we go boom and bust. It's going to basically just be kind of slow and steady. I don't think you're going to have any crazy outperformers like NVIDIA driving the market. In fact, I think NVIDIA and Apple could be toward the soft end. I'm looking at Microsoft, Google, Amazon to be kind of the leaders. So I think you're going to have a slow and steady S&P. And I think the back half of 2025, we could see the VIX consistently in the 12s and into 2026. That is what I think is coming. What does that mean? That means you're going to see reverse splits in UVIX, reverse splits in VXX, and UVXY all in 2025. Should be a lot of fun. So there's that. And then for the S&P, I'm looking for nothing crazy. I think we could be about 7,200 at the end of the year. But before that, We have not touched the 200-day moving average since October 2023. I think we'll visit that in the first quarter. So this first quarter could be rocky, but then coming out of it, I think volatility is going to get smashed. All right, everybody. So there you have it. There is my VIX forecast and a little bit on an S&P for 2025. I hope you have a absolutely wonderful holiday week. Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy your Hanukkah. Enjoy your time off. So from the Option Pit family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah. Have a good one.